What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, just got this. It's an Aplomb multifunction laptop desk. You've seen these on my channel before, and I really like them. And the reason I want to show you this one is because I took one to work, and I need another one because I love them. So let me just show it to you here. This is going to be a true unboxing. It comes just like this, and opens up. Oh, look at this. Here's the desk, all one unit. And oh man, lots of unboxing packaging we need to get rid of here. Don't want to keep you waiting. Let's open this sucker up. Good thing I've got a lot of muscles that rips that plastic off. Okay, so here it is. It looks like a little airplane food tray almost. You know, what we have is like a Formica top with this very white birch-like wood grain on it. It looks good. I mean, the wood grain pattern looks good, but you can kind of tell it's one of these like indestructible tops here. So that's pretty cool. Aplomb right up on the top there, and it's got a gray border all the way around. We have here, and this I think is going to be able to pull out, what you might see is it's got this little stop, and these are good because if your desk is angled, and I'll show you how to do that, you know, this little like rubber covered stop is going to allow you to put pencils or a mouse pad and put it on the desk here without it rolling or sliding off the top, because this is a pretty slick top. Now on the back here is where we start getting to, well, I should probably show you this. Here's another stop. This one's all hard plastic, but you can see these two holes right there, and this plugs right in there, and that's going to hold in basically your laptop. So that's going to keep the laptop from sliding off, all right? Now on the back, there's where we have the legs and the business end of this, so they just fold out like this. And I guess what I'm going to have to do here, let me just check. That's oh, yep. Oh, okay. I don't have to do anything except to fold them out. They're just nice and stiff, which is kind of what you want. So these two aluminum telescoping legs just fold out like this, and as you can see, kind of looks like a meal in a bed tray, right? Which is absolutely what you could use this for. So right now I have a little table which I could sit on the couch with. I could lounge in my bed and watch 90210 or Step by Step while doing a little work. But the goodness doesn't stop right there. So you can see nice wide legs here, rubber pads there, so it's not going to slip on you. But you've got a little button here on the legs, and if I push that in, what we can do now is extend these legs up. So not only can we adjust this for height now, but we can make sure that it fits everyone's height preference. So regardless if you're tall or short, you can get this right at the perfect height for you. And there are some detents. It looks like there's maybe 5, maybe 6 positions in there. And I'm just going to move it down here to, it's like the same one. So it's nice and flat. Now I have a nice and flat surface at the right height, so I can type on it, use it. And look at this, I'm standing, I'm using a regular table here, which is probably like 29-30 inches tall, and so I've got this on top, and I could absolutely have a standing desk. It's good for your health, helps the spine, man, helps keep everything nice and aligned. I feel good. It's supposed to be good for you. So I could use it just like that. Now, the other thing that I want to show you here, and what I was fooling around with, are these little clips that fold down. You've got one on each side, and if I flip it up like that, all of a sudden, these legs articulate like this. Now, that's awesome, because if I put them at an angle like this, flip these down, just like this, these legs are now locked in place, and now I have a laptop desk that's almost set up like a podium. I could use this as a podium. 7 years ago. But I can have the laptop here now angled, and a lot of people really like that, you know, having the keyboard at a more you know, vertical angle, so that you get a really nice comfortable angle on it, and that allows you to put the screen further back and kind of have it sitting up. Now this angle for me is probably a little extreme, but if I were to say like this, ooh, Peter von Panda likey, this seems really good. In fact, let's try it out. So I've got my 15-inch Acer Chromebook right here. I'm just going to put it down right here. And the cool thing about this, let me just show you here, is that this Chromebook is actually really wide. It might actually be a 17-inch. Really nice value on that. Check out my review on that if you want. But if I put it down here, you can see how this stop right here kind of interferes, because it's not quite the same height as the lower stop here, but that's no problem. You know why? Because I can just pull this one out of the little holes here, and get rid of it and have just this one supporting my laptop, and so it doesn't make it awkward. That means the laptop is in the perfect position. Now, let me just flip this open, just like this, and now as you can see how far back that screen is angled, but that is perfect. It is looking straight up at me. This is a perfect angle to be typing on. Dude, I feel like a winner right now. I feel like a winner. I am a winner. You're not stupid at all. Anyway, I love this thing. This is great. Not only is it absolutely useful for whether you want to lie in bed or on the couch and have your laptop on your, not actually on your lap, but above your lap, but you know, as a stand-up desk like this is fantastic. And if you're a member of Toastmasters or whatnot, and you need a podium, you're going to throw together a shotgun wedding at your house, you can use this. Give your best man speech from this thing. Check it out. I will put a link to this Aplomb laptop desk in the description below, because these things are just phenomenal. I'll be honest, take a look, go on Amazon and search for stand-up desks. They're brutally expensive, but you can get all that functionality in a compact design like this, that not only is it super useful, but you can absolutely just put these straight back up, fold them down, and take this with you on the road, just like that. I like it. Check it out. Peter von Panda. Out.